Aloha students. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the histogram for your project 8. So you need to go to your column and you will definitely have to make a copy because the file that you have is mine, so you only have view rights. So you'll go to File and you will make a copy. And I'm doing the student data right now, but you'll do the same exact thing with the teacher data as well. So in my copy, now I can edit it. So I'm going to go to the column for my data. And I need to change these to only numbers. So here's what I'm going to do. And actually, I'm not sure if I can do this in just one column, so we're about to find out. I'm going to find, and it says to find in sheet. So I'm going to search this specific range, which is my AC column, so that's working out for me. And I'm going to find 1, strongly disagree. Oops, and that was 1 period. So you have to type it out exactly the same, or you can just copy it. So 1 period space, strongly disagree, and I just want to replace it with the number 1. I'm going to try to replace all. Okay, and that worked well. Then I'm going to take 2 disagree. And I just want to replace it with the number 2. And I'm going to replace all. 3 is neutral. Replace it with the number 3. Be really careful that you change your number each time. Okay, I did that, and now I need 4 agree. Replace with the number 4. And I think I had a 5 also. So 5, strongly agree. Replace with the number 5. Okay. So now I'm done. My column should have only numbers in it. And so now I'm ready to make a histogram. You still want your column to be highlighted, and you're going to go into Insert, Chart. Now, it's going to give you a graph, and it might not be the graph you want. It's kind of pretty, but it doesn't actually mean much to me. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to change it to histogram. I've used histogram a lot, so it shows up on my top, but it might not do that for you. You might need to scroll all the way to the bottom to find histogram. It almost looks like a bar chart, but if you hover over it, it will say histogram chart. That's the right one to use. Okay, now we need to change our axes. I like the title. The question is the title. I need to All right, so you need to go over to Customize, and we're going to Chart and Axes Titles. So we said we're going to keep the chart title, but that's a drop-down menu, and you can change it to say Horizontal Axis Title. And then this is the survey choice. So the survey choice was 1 for strongly disagree, and 5 for strongly agree. And then we want to change the vertical. The vertical is a count of, in this case, students. So count of students. Okay, so this looks good now. I can copy it into my report.